Hi, this is a short demo for a nice tool called pandas EDA. It will help you explore and understand your data. So let's start using it. Okay, we'll first start with importing this tool. And here we have a fake data. We have first name, phone number, country, age, and a few types of columns. Now we hit the DFEDA. This will pop up the web application. Okay, here we have our original data. We can scroll it, we can sort it like first name or by country name or unsorted. Then we have the frequent values for each column. Like if you want to see the country name, we see that we have 80 of 30%. We have a lot of missing data, like 40%, and so on. We have also first name, like David, we have 90 cases of rows with the name David, and so on. We can also jump to the frequent values tab, and we have all these frequent values data in one table. We can download it here. We have it as Excel, and we have also table size. We can see how many rows we have, the total size of the table, and we can see the size of each column by itself. We can see how much space each column takes. Okay, at the statistics, we can see the summary of all columns, like phone number, we have 6,000 unique values. At the first name, we have 10% of it, like only 600 unique names, and we have lots of duplications. And we can see also the diversity index. If we have a few unique values, we can see the diversity of it. Okay, we open this tool by hitting dataframe.eda. We can do this by running it from Jupyter. It's the same thing. We also have this command, and also at debug mode at PyCharm, it doesn't matter. All tools will support it as long as it's not a remote machine. If it's a remote machine, the tool will open at the remote machine and not at your local PC. Okay, now we want to edit our table. Let's say we want to add to age, like adding 2000 to age, and then run the EDA again. Now we got another session, open session, added parallel. We can see the age here is increased by 2000, and we still have the old EDA that we're running. So we can open a few EDA at parallel. At the config tab, we can configure some of the displays here. We can decide that we want only 2 frequent values, not 4. And we can also add histogram for columns that are numeric ones, like here. We can zoom in and we can choose the number of bins that we want. And we can also filter the table. Let's say that we want age above 40 and first name starts with M. Okay. So it will filter our data, and we can see the data with the first name only names that start with M and age above 40. You can see also the histogram here. And that's it. This was a short demo of pandas EDA. Bye bye.